Sir? Hello. My name is Ryan. I got some things to offer you. Would like to look?
What do you got?
All right, here. I got some butter, banana. Here, hold that. Hold this.
That's fine. No, it's fine.
No.
No, I'm not hungry though. That's fine.
No.
No, thank you.
No, come here. It's all right. Here.
No, it's fine.
Gamma.
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Our sales are pretty low today. Romando! Hey. No one wants to buy our stuff. Hey! Wait, sir. It's not yours? No, I swear to God, you just dropped this. I just slipped on my banana. Shit. Eugene. It's time to wake up, man. It's been a long day, dude. I can't sell any of this. Look at this. It's just like all mushed up. Yeah, I can't sell any of this. It's just like all mush. I mean, if you want some garlic, I got some garlic. You good? You gonna eat the rest of that? Looks good. You look tired. I got some gamma, dude. I mean, it's just a cup, but it could get you somewhere. What was that?
Do not do any kind of
Drugs?
Do not do any kind of
Yeah, I know. No, I just got gamma. All right, fine, Eugene. You ain't gonna buy none of my stuff. I gotta go.
Thank you.
Do you want to check my bag?
No, I won't because they're watching you. If they feel like they want to come out and check it, they will.
I feel like. Wait. Can I just show you what I have?
No, I'm got with that.
No. Check this out. Garlic?
Uh-huh.
G Fuel. You need some of that. Hey, I'm not done. Butter?
Okay. I just doing what I was told to do, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just making sure with you.
Okay.
Mrs. Chang! How you doing?
Hi.
Yeah, I'm doing good. You want to see some of the stuff I got? Yes,
Not
sir.
animal, right?
No. I mean, wait,
Wow.
can you hold that for a second?
They also have a garbage can.
Garbage can?
Yeah,
Oh, no, I'll keep
just here. Just out of the door you can see.
garlic.
Garlic?
Keep spirits
No.
away.
No. We have
Gamma.
this kind of food.
Sorry. I miss you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Okay.
You're okay.
Jesus.
Dude, these are fucking perfect.
Is mine fucked up or something? I feel like I look weird.
The collar.
Name's Dennis. Real estate's the game.
Yours fits like perfectly. And then you guys need undershirts?
I might be a little big on you. Oh, look at his fucking back. Oh my god.
Oh my
Jesus.
God. Have a giveaway?
Oh, yeah, dude. That's like a fucking trench coat. It actually doesn't. Look, his fucking back, dude. It's huge. I'm not gonna put this like. No, I just want to see what it looks like. And then after I walk in with the girlfriend. Dude. Okay. What is it?
Oh, ow. Dude, that's a fucking golf ball.
Hard.
Oh my. They're actually my size.
You can't just have sweatpants on.
Yeah, no. You need an undershirt too. Or should I'll just take off this hoodie and then just buckle it up.
Yo, I need fucking help or something. Can you help me, dude?
Wow. just buckle one like towards the bottom.
Dude, it's gonna break it.
Don't rip it yet. Don't rip it.
Ow.
Bro, I need to go.
Oh, it like cut me.
Just keep going. You have to pay for every inch.
It went all in my pants, dude.
Let's go talk to the bitch. What are you watching?
Some YouTube.
Oh, you should follow us on YouTube.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Dude, trust me, it's the best YouTube channel ever.
Alright. YouTube.
R2K. Alright, subscribe. That's me, man.
I'll see if I can subscribe.
Okay, come on.
Just watch it, dude. It's the most amazing thing you'll ever see.
Wait, what's your name? John? Nice to meet you, John.
This is one time.
You.
You'll be set for it.
Oh, that's the actual size of it. Hey!
Yeah, that's.
Oh!
My nipple! I can't with it. No, it's gonna whip me and hit me in my dick again.
Again.
You!
No, Ryan.
Oh!
We're out on the street, dude.
Back up.
Oh!
Oh! That's for you, Steven. Here comes Billy with it. Oh! Oh!
How do I throw this thing?
How did you throw it? You're supposed to whip it. Here we go, Ryan, go.
Stand back.
Go.
What's he doing?
Why is he doing that? Why the fuck did you do that?
Dude, that's all my
So wet already.
Dude, it's in my pants.
Dude, what a gentleman.
This man is so on the fucking timber,
Yo! Who the fuck is Antonio?
What is Antonio?
Wait, whose car are we in?
Wait.
Coffee. Look at this coffee, dude.
Yeah, I felt like I would turn on the water, you know?
It's cool to come here too because it just gives you ideas and stuff. Shit, dude, this is the wrong place to do this.
I don't know if that was good. It was good to do.
Wait, you didn't tell. You didn't tell me.
Yeah.
Dude, it's hard. Yeah.
You can easily just throw that somewhere.
Run, just run and trip really fall in the middle of it.
Go, I can
I'll run behind you. I'll
You
run
want me
behind
to
you.
run really hard and just fall?
Fall on this on your knees.
Yeah, yeah.
So you don't get hurt.
Nah,
Go.
fuck that.
No. I'll come with you. Yo.
Man, fuck all you. I'm not shaking it.
Run.
Why don't you take your shirt off?
He went down the escalator. Why is he doing that? What'd you do? What did you? Yo, what up, guys? Thanks for watching our videos. We're gonna try to post them as much as we can, but like school is getting in our way and stuff. But I just wanted to shout out some of these people for shouting us out.
Hey! Yeah. Hey, shout out my nigga Frost Slat. Alright. It's a red light.